My name is David Jollymore, and I have written this book on water treatment for homeowners so that you can make competent decisions, get your water fixed, and have the water that you want in your home, and not spend a bunch of money that wasn't necessary to treat your water. I believe that the information you'll find in this book will save you hundreds of dollars and a lot of aggravation, and that you will be able to make good and competent decisions in regards to the salesman who might come to your home, and is he being honest, does he know his trade, and the equipment that you could put into your home. What equipment is the best choice to make? Hopefully, by the time you finish this book, you will have enough information to be able to make wise and competent decisions in obtaining the water you want for your family in your home. Thank you.